Names of shapes. This is oval and egg is object of oval shape. This is circle and ball is object of circle shape. This is rectangle and first aid box is object of rectangle shape. This is triangle and pizza slice is object of triangle shape. This is square and clock is object of square shape. This is heart and heart ring is object of heart shape. This is cone and ice cream is object of cone shape. This is cylinder and battery is object of cylinder shape. This is pentagon and the skin is object of pentagon shape. This is diamond and kite is object of diamond shape. This is cube and Rubik's cube is object of cube shape.